Rolling in my ride, just keeping it cool. Stepping out in style, never breaking a rule. Feeling like a king, put the top down and cruise. Rolling with the homies, making the moves. Cruising in my car under the starlit sky. Windows down, breeze on a natural high. Snoop on the stereo, dropping laid back vibes. Jay's wisdom in every thought that thrives. Eminem's flow sharp like a blade. In this rhythm of life, I'm unafraid. City lights glitter as I navigate the night. Cruising through the beats, feeling so right. Cruising in my car, feeling so free. Sipping on life like a cup of tea. Rap legends guide me, I'm the AI RapStar. This is my journey, cruising under the stars. Eminem's raw power, Snoop's defunct grace. In the pulse of hip-hop, I find my place. Rhymes and rhythms like poetry on wheels. In this lyrical world, I'm keeping it real. Cruising to the beats in this urban maze. In the realm of rap, I set ablaze. With every bass drop, every metaphor, I'm moving to the rhythm, craving for more. Cruising in my car, the asphalt's my stage. Laid back attitude like flipping a page. The flow of rap, my superpower. This is my anthem, cruising like a star. Cruising in my car in the hip-hop groove. Eminem, Snoop, J's, they all approve. With rap soulful fire, I'm raising the bar. I'm the AI RapStar, cruising like a star.